everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name's Chess and I post videos every single week, usually about home interiors, home related things, but sometimes a little bit of fashion and lifestyle as well. And yeah, welcome if you are new. Today I am heading to the shops. I'm going to B&M because I have seen the most beautiful scalloped set, dinnerware set that I've ever seen, and I can't believe that they're in B&M of all places. I've seen them all over social media and I need them. So if I go to my B&M today and they don't have them, I'll honestly be devastated. I'll have to go to other B&Ms until I find them. So that's what I'm after today. And then I also want to just see what other bargains they've got in B&M, because there's always some good bargains to be found there. And then I also want to go to Home Bargains because I've seen loads of really cute bunny stuff, like bunny jars, and I want to get them for our baby bunnies, of course. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. It's Sunday. I got up really early this morning, sorry, just hiding all that mess in the background. I got up at 7:30 this morning on a Sunday, and I never set my alarm on a Sunday, but I just wanted a really productive day, as last weekend was very unproductive because I had like loads of allergy stuff going on. I won't go into it. I got up at 7:30, I showered, did my makeup, did my hair, filmed 2 reels, took some photos for Instagram. Now I'm going to the shops and it's not even 12 o'clock yet, so I feel very productive today. I love when you feel like that. You feel like you can like get everything done, don't you? It's just a really good feeling. Hope you enjoyed coming along to the shops with me today. I'll bring you along, show you what's in store, and then I'll do a haul at the end of all the things that I picked up. There would have been a time back in the day where I would have moved all this stuff to film this little outfit of the day and move the coats and stuff and these bunny cushions, but I need to go and I can't be bothered to move them, and everybody has cardboard stocked up sometimes. But this is my little outfit of the day, just a nice basic outfit. I've got a black knit from ASOS. I do have a necklace on, but it sort of like hangs weird because of this roll neck, so I've tucked it in for now. This black knit is from ASOS. This skater skirt is also from ASOS. Just got my darks and tights and black Mulberry bag. Okay, so excuse all the Christmas stuff in the back. I've still not moved it from Christmas time, like when I took it out of my classroom. But I knew that my B&M wouldn't have those scallop plates. I just knew it. Maybe that's why, because I wasn't manifesting that they'd have it. Literally, my B&M never has any good things that I see on Instagram. It's just full of like old stock. There was literally Christmas jars in there, no Easter decor at all. So I'm gonna head to another B&M, but I did find a little like flower bunch in there that reminded me of some flowers that Neptune sells. So that's a little dupe there that I'll share with you at the end of the video when I do the haul. But I'm gonna head to Home Bargains, head to another B&M, see if I can find those plates and keep you guys updated. I'm back from the shops now, and I feel like I've been out for ages. I've honestly been to so many B&Ms looking for this dinnerware set, and I was about to give up and drive home, and I just looked on maps and had a look if there was any other B&Ms nearby, and there was one that I'd never been to before, so I went to that one and they had it. It was like a sign, it was fate, but they didn't have the full set, so I'll show you in a minute what I did pick up. And yeah, I've got the goods. I've got the Home Bargains goodies, loads of really cute Easter stuff in there, and I also got some B&M goodies as well. So it's going to be a B&M and Home Bargains haul, and I'll start with B&M first. So from B&M, the reason why I was wanting to go to B&M was for this gorgeous dinnerware set. Let me just get it. So I've been seeing this dinnerware set all over social media, like I said before, and as soon as I saw it, I knew I needed to have it. Whether I had to travel to a B&M in London or not, I needed to go and get it somehow, and I did manage to pick up quite a few bits. So oh, it's just so pretty. I love the scalloped edging. I've been after plates like this for so long, and I saw, you know, that little brand Merry Merry, they do plates like this, but they're paper plates, and I was so tempted to get them just for like styling purposes, but these are like ceramic plates, like actual plates, and they're so pretty. They're the prettiest plates I've ever seen. and they're from B&M, and this was £2.50, which is such a bargain. So I did get I got 3 of the mini like side plates, and then I also got, this is all they had left, I literally like ransacked the shelves. I got 2 of the large plates, so if like me and Jake are having dinner, I can have these 2 and then 2 of the others and then some bowls. But if anybody knows of anywhere else that stocks them, let me know, because I do want to get another 2 of these big plates and another 1 of the small plates, because I want a set of 4. But how gorgeous are those? They remind me of like seashells. I keep thinking I'm going to drop them. Could you imagine? Travel to like 10 different B&Ms and then drop them on camera. That would be a disaster, wouldn't it? Super pretty. They also had like a big like pasta bowl, like a serving bowl that was really pretty as well, but I decided to leave that one. And they also had a cake stand that kind of matched the vibe as well, but because I don't bake that regularly, I decided to leave the cake stand as well. And then I got 4 of these bowls as well. I like cereal bowls, but again, they've got that little ribbed scalloped edging. They're just so pretty. I love them. The bowls were £2.50 each. The big plates were £3.50 each, and the small plates were £2.50 each. So yeah, I'm really happy that I managed to come away with those from B&M. I must head to some more to see if I can find the full set. But also from B&M, I picked up this fuzzy like cream super soft throw, £5, what a bargain. And if any of you follow my bunny Instagram, you'll know that we just recently made the bunny's litter tray box, like from this thing from IKEA, the hall table from IKEA. We've made it into like a litter box for them, and at the minute I've just got like a pink throw on top, and it is really cute, but I want it to be more neutral, so I thought that I would get this one for the top, and in a minute I'll bring you into the bunny room and we can style it up and stuff. So yeah, I didn't think that was too bad for £5. This is another B&M purchase, not for my bathroom or anything, but this was only £3.50, and this is to go inside the litter box as well, just because the one that's in there at the minute is from IKEA and it's a bit big and it's like up the sides a little bit, and she keeps digging at it. Obviously she digs at everything, so this one will fit a little bit better, and it's just nice and plain for inside that litter box. So like I said before, I'll bring you in there and I can show you what that's going to be like in a minute. Okay, next is my little Neptune inspired purchase. Now I saw these and I instantly thought of the dahlias from Neptune. Dahlia or dahlia, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I say dahlia, don't know if it's right or wrong. And B&M, like, personally, I would not just stick that in a vase and just like leave it. I don't know why they're all like joined together by this big stem at the bottom. But what I had in mind for these, because they reminded me so much of like the Neptune dahlias, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut them as low down as possible, like just snip them and have them in like small jugs or like vases, like small bud vases, and I feel like they'll really create that Neptune vibe. Let me do it now actually. Let me show you what I'm envisioning. Jake, will you cut these flowers for me? Yeah, right now. Okay, so I've just cut 2 of the dahlias off the big bunch of dahlias, and this is what I had in mind. So I've got 2 different vases here to show you. So I thought that you could just stick one in. You might need to stuff a bit of tissue roll down here to make it stand up a bit, because it is a short stem, or just like rest it. And I just think that that looks very Neptune-like, because they do stock these flowers, and it's this colour as well from Neptune. The Neptune ones might be a little bit bigger, but I really like this size. And the leaves, you know, considering they were from B&M and they were very affordable, the leaves don't look too fake. It was £8 for all of them, but you've got loads of flowers on there. But yeah, I think that looks really cute and very, very Neptune vibes. So yeah, good little Neptune dupe in B&M. And then you could even like stick it in a bud vase. Let me just shorten this stem. You could even just chop it off if you knew it was going to stay in there. There we go. How cute. Yeah, head to B&M if you want to find some little Neptune dupe flowers. I've never seen dupes of the Neptune flowers anywhere, I don't think. From the top of my head, I can't remember. So this is a pretty good find. Next, I'm going to show you what I got from Home Bargains. Now, don't be alarmed. Easter is quite soon. It's not next month, it's the month after. So, and if you don't get the Easter stuff early, it all sells out, and then you won't be able to get any at all. So I'm showing you the things now so that you can go to the store and get them, because these will sell out I'm sure of it. These will sell out very soon, so don't be alarmed, but there is going to be some Easter stuff. First of all, I got this bunny teddy for the bunny room for it to go on top of their new little litter box thing, and I just thought it was adorable. It looks like both of them. It's like a mix of both of them, and it's got lop ears like Bonnie and Blossom. So yeah, I had to get that, and they don't really have any like big teddies, so I thought I'd treat them as an early Easter gift. Then I spotted these, and they had loads of different types of hanging eggs. They had like more like brightly coloured ones with patterns on, and then they also had these speckled ones, and these ones look so much like the Gisela Graham eggs that even like Gisela Graham herself sells, or like they're on lots of different small businesses, and they are gorgeous. And these white ones look like the White Company eggs, so these are just perfect for around Easter time, aren't they? I can't believe I'm showing eggs. I'm never this early. I am very sorry, but I'm showing you them now so you can get them. But anyway, these are perfect for hanging on like some stems or on an Easter tree if you like doing that sort of stuff around Easter time. But they're also really pretty for like a tablescape as well. Pop one of these on top of a napkin. Very White Company vibes with just the white and the black speckled. They were only £1.50, which is unbelievably cheap when you compare it to how much these go for on the internet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs for £1.50. That is unbelievably cheap, actually. Like, I can't get over that. So yeah, head to Home Bargains because these will sell out, guarantee it. Then I also picked up this Easter decoration for the bunny room, of course, to match all the different pink accents in there, and I thought I'm gonna like chop this bit off because I don't want them chewing that, but I thought they could chew the wreath if they really wanted to, because they do like chewing, but it's just really cute. It's got a little rabbit in a pink dress, so I thought that would look cute in the bunny room. Next I got these two hanging pom-pom bunnies for the bunny room again, and I feel like these aren't, obviously they're Easter, they were in the Easter section, but because we do have a bunny room, I feel like these could be out all the time, just like hanging on the edge of their castle or something, because they've each got their own castle now, so I think that would look so cute. I've got lots of pink in there, and yeah, I just thought they were super cute. They also had some really yummy smelling Easter candles in the Easter section as well. They had hot cross buns, which did smell like quite gingerbready. Part of me thinks, did they just rebrand the gingerbread one from Christmas? I don't know. It did smell very gingerbready, but this one smells amazing. It's called White Chocolate. It's got a white chocolate bunny on the front, and it does smell so good. I love anything sweet when it comes to candles, and that just smells amazing, and it's nice and white, so it'll go in my living room really nicely. So I will get that lit probably tonight. I love lighting a candle and getting all cozy. Then I was really surprised to see these, because these always go out of stock. They come back every year from Home Bargains. I don't know if they like vary up a little bit, but these are the glass egg jars, and I've got tons of glass egg jars upstairs in the attic. Jake's gonna kill me when he sees that I've bought some more, but I just wanted to get these ones from Home Bargains as well to show you, and they were very cheap. How much were these ones? Yeah, these were only £6.99 for 2, so let me open them up to show you. So here's one of them, and they're just so cute to have out around Easter time. Pop mini eggs in, or like any other Easter treats. I could even keep them in the bunny room, couldn't I, for like bunny treats, but I'll come back to that later because I do have something else for the bunny room. But yeah, that's one of them. It looks like little bunny ears on top, and then this is the other one. So you've got a little and a large. They look cute stacked next to each other, or if you've got different areas of your kitchen that you want to pop them in. Cute for sweets and treats, and again, these will sell out. They always do every year, so I've got my hands on them early this time. I also saw these cute cookie cutters, and I don't have a bunny cookie cutter, and I can't be a bunny owner without a bunny cookie cutter. Gosh, that is so hard to say. So I did decide to get these ones, and I feel like it might force me to do some like Easter cookie making closer to the time, and they're really cute colours as well, pink and yellow. And then lastly, this is another thing that I was looking for in Home Bargains. These cute bunny jars. Look how adorable these are. Is it gonna focus? They've got pink ears with white polka dots in the middle of them, and I wanted to get these for the bunny room. I want to pop bunny treats in there, and it just matches the aesthetic in there so much. So cute, honestly. But like, yeah, like I said before, these aren't just going to be for Easter. These are going to be for all year round in the bunny room. I did get 4 of those, and I took all the pink ones, and if there were any more I probably would have got more as well. I probably would have come away with 10 if they had 10 pink ones there, but I was limited to just 4. So yeah, that was everything that I got. It was a bit of a random mishmash of things this time, wasn't it? A bit of Easter, a bit of dupes, a bit of neutral home decor. Love that. Love a really good mishmash of things in a haul. And now what I'm going to do is take you into the bunny room and show you their new setup. Hello, my baby. Hello. It's okay. He doesn't like my tripod that I've just brought in. It's okay, it's just Mummy's tripod. Do you want to see your new things that I've got for you? Do you want to see them? So this is going to be their new little setup. I feel like that beige cream blanket matches so much better than the pink one. I do love the pink one, but with the new bunny cushion with the little bunny on, like on top of the cushion, on top of the castle, I feel like that cream blanket from B&M matches much better. And look at that bunny rabbit next to the cushion, so cute. Bonnie loves it. Don't you stop biting at that rug, Bonnie. Yes, I'm talking to you. Got a new little pink pom-pom decoration there. I've just popped that rug under the castle because when she's jumping on the castle to then on top of the litter box, the castle's like moving because it's not got like any fabric flooring to like grip it. So I've just moved that little mat under it. Doesn't look like the most aesthetically pleasing, but at least it'll stop it moving when she's jumping up and down. She's already starting to dig at her new mat, but bunnies just like to dig anyway. So it's okay. No! Don't make a hole in it. You'll get stuck, Bonnie, if you go down there. Oh, you got stuck then, didn't you? Were you being silly? So yeah, I think this is such a better setup. Her litter box is in there, so there's no like poo or wee or hay anywhere in the room anymore. It needs a bit of a tidy, but it's so good, and this just lifts up and you can go in and change it, and then you can style up the top of it. Make it look aesthetically pleasing for your bunnies. So yeah, I can't wait to get Blossom home as well and them both live in here and have both castles and stuff. It'll be so cute, but yeah, she's coming home very soon, hopefully. So I'm going to leave the video there, everyone. I hope you enjoyed coming shopping with me today. Let me know which pieces you were loving the most, and I hope you enjoyed seeing little Bonnie baby as well. As always, if you did like this video, I would love if you could leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!